Okay, we got John that just came with us. He wants to race, but sounds like he has no right steering, and he's got to turn right a couple times in this race.
I should check that.
He's got a TT-01 stock, and he's going to run that, basically stock ESC and stock silver can, versus a Kyosho versus Bruno. Let's see what that's going to happen. We're going to go on go. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, they're neck to neck, but I think the Kyosho is a little faster. But the way I've seen Bruno drive before, I think the Tamiya should have no problem. That's pretty darn close. There you go, Bruno right out of control. I knew that was going to happen. And the Tamiya is in the lead. Let's see if the Kyosho can catch up. And it is slowly catching up, well, fastly catching up. It's all about control. Slow is fast. Oh, second lap, the Tamiya had it. Oh, Tamiya now is... Yeah. And now... Oh, yeah. Oh, is he going to do it? Oh, that was close. And the Kyosho comes in for the win.
Good race, man. Good race. That was close. Right on. He got me.